Hi, today I'm making a blueberry nectarine spritz. So this is just a very light summer drink that you use fresh fruit. So we're going to begin with 2 glasses of ice, about 3/4 full. I have a whole kiwi, a half a cup of blueberries, and 1 whole nectarine that is going to go into the spritz. I'm going to slice all of my kiwi and then take the half of the nectarine. You want a nectarine that's soft because we're going to use some of the juice from the nectarine. And add the fresh fruit to the glasses. And then you're going to squeeze the other half of the nectarine juice into over the fresh fruit. Next, you can add whatever beverage you like. I'm adding club soda here, and because it is a very light, refreshing drink, you may want to let it sit for a little bit, but it is perfect for these hot summer days, and that's a blueberry nectarine spritz.